Hi friend, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing a huge summer haul and favorites roundup with items that I've recently purchased from Target. These are going to be items that I wore on our honeymoon vacation cruise, as well as some new favorites that I've recently picked up. I can't wait to show you how I style these new pieces from Target for summer outfit ideas. All of the Target new arrivals will be linked down below in the description box for you to easily shop as well. This gorgeous hot pink dress is something that I styled for a recent brand shoot. I went to the beach. Even though I styled this dress for a brand shoot, honestly, I think this would be gorgeous for a summer wedding. If you're looking to invest in a new wedding guest dress, this one is beautiful. I love the ruffle details to it, and I accessorized it with a new handbag. This is a top handle purse. Now Target has recently come out with another version of it that has beach embellishment all over. It's so pretty for the summer season. I finished off this look at the beach with flip-flops that I wore so much on our cruise. I lived in these flip-flops anytime we went to the spa or if we went to a resort off the ship. These are the flip-flops that I wore with me or packed with me in my beach tote bag. They're super cute because they have the little rosette detail at the top, so I feel like this is a very feminine flip-flop and they're just $10. Another purse that has recently made its way into my summer wardrobe from Target is this new woven shoulder bag. This reminds me of a Bottega bag. This is a very designer-inspired purse. It's brand new at Target. It also comes in a brown version, but I wanted to get the white one for the most versatility for my summer wardrobe. I love the size of it. It's not too big, not too small, fits everything I need inside. Basically, every time I wasn't wearing the flip-flops, I was wearing these white sandals with all of my cruise outfits. I'll be sure to link that cruise outfit idea video for you up in the cards because I shared all of the outfits that I wore with me on our cruise. If you have a summer vacation coming up, definitely refer to that video because I styled a lot of affordable and really cute outfits that were perfect for our vacation where we went in the Caribbean. These white sandals are $25. They also have a neutral version, and I liked how they have the thick band at the top. It gives you lots of support, and these have cushiony memory foam as well. This is another gorgeous new corset woven floral dress. It's a mini dress style that has an A-line shape to it, which is personally one of my favorite silhouettes to grab for my body type. I wore this pretty dress for a recent brand shoot in my friend's studio. I also considered wearing this dress for Easter, but ultimately I went for the polka dot dress that is also a Target favorite that I'll talk about soon. With this dress, I do recommend going down a size. I actually had to return it, so I initially bought the size 10, which is my go-to size for dresses at Target, but I had to go in store and return it and grab the 8. So I would size down one, and then once you do, you'll find your perfect fit. Speaking of the polka dot dress, this is the only item that I grabbed from the Kate Spade Target collab, and this is the dress that I did end up wearing for Easter. I've been on the hunt for a affordable polka dot dress. I know that this is a trend, so it's not something I wanted to drop a lot of money on, but I still wanted to go for a polka dot number, and this is beautiful. Just a really great square-necked maxi dress. I grabbed this in a size medium, and it's giving me the polka dot trend without spending too much. This one's only $40. I also just recently put together a recreation of Pinterest outfits video, and I wore this bubble skirt that is also new at Target. I wanted to get some type of long white skirt, and I think this is a great version that's also a little trendier and will be great to have in my summer wardrobe to play around with. I styled it for a very chic and modern look with a black cami tank top that I grabbed from Target last year. And I loved how this outfit turned out. Definitely check out that video next. I'll have it linked in the cards. Another chic item that I can't believe I found at Target is this $28 suit vest. I mean, when I found this when I was trying on items in the dressing room a couple of weeks back, I knew I picked up something that I had to grab and take home with me. This is in a size medium. It has functional buttons, and it reminds me of something you could find for over $100 at Aritzia. It feels very high quality. A couple of more items that I grabbed for our cruise are these swimsuits. I grabbed 2 one-piece swimsuits from Target. I went and tried on a bunch of different options, and these are 2 that I landed on to take with me. I got this one-piece V-neck bathing suit in a green color that I actually got a lot of compliments on when I was wearing it at one of the resorts that we stayed at. And then I got this asymmetrical brown and white floral printed bathing suit. I do size larges in Target swimsuits. Okay, I did go a little crazy on summer shoes, but Target They're just so good. I always look forward to getting new Target shoes. And I got these raffia block heels for my branding shoot, and I style these with a lot of the dresses that I brought to my photographer's studio. These look like Sam Edelman block heels that are $120, and you can get these look for less ones at Target. The Nina slide sandals are back again for this spring and summer season. I picked up, I think, at least 2 different versions last year, and they're back. These are amazing to have. I honestly wear these on a pretty regular basis. They're perfect for running errands. They also have comfy memory foam to them. I definitely recommend checking out these affordable slide sandals. They're a favorite of mine. I have the raffia ones and the brown. These beachy embellished sandals are also brand new for the summer at Target. These are so pretty. They have 2 straps on them. I definitely think you should consider these as you're planning outfits for your summer trips coming up. I also wanted to share how I styled this new white tank. This has 3 bow details that tie it together in the front. I actually sized down for this top. I have it on in a small. It was the only size available, and I really wanted to grab it and style it with these striped linen pants. These are amazing. I also wore these in my recent recreating Pinterest outfits video. These have great stretch to them. They're in a size medium for me. This gingham matching set feels like something you need to wear to Disney World. I'm definitely going to consider this outfit if I have like a Universal or an Orlando trip coming up, because I loved how this set came out. The top I grabbed in a size medium. I do think I should have sized down. It does have a little bit extra room at the bottom. So I have this set on in size mediums for the top and the shorts. The shorts are incredible. They fit true to size. They've got stretch, pockets, and they are very trendy with this gingham print. This activewear dress, I cannot believe I found this at Target. I don't know if it's sold out already or if Target just hasn't put it out on their website yet, but if you go in store and find this at Target, like, just grab it. It is $35. It has a flattering high neckline to it, something that I look for with my modest style. I love the higher neckline. This is reminding me of an Abercrombie activewear dress that's $70, and this is half the price. It's $35. I wear this in my true size medium. It has a phone pocket, biker shorts. There's nothing to complain about with this activewear dress. It's new to Target. I'm definitely impressed with what they're releasing with the Joy Lab and the All in Motion brands. A couple of beauty favorites I do want to mention at Target is this Wild deodorant. Now, they sent me over a Wild deodorant to try out, and I was a little skeptical because I'm a natural deodorant person, but I've tried every type of brand out there. Normally, I'll go with the Primarily Pure deodorant. I've tried native deodorants in the past as well. They're okay, but this Wild deodorant is something else. Smell reminds me of perfume. It just has the most fragrant smell to it that lasts all day. Then all you do is get different scents for like $7.99 and pop them into the aluminum tube once you're done. And so far so good. This brand is just something I really wanted to draw your attention to if you're also someone who is using more non-toxic ingredients and going for natural deodorant. I also got my hands on a couple new e.l.f. products. I'm trying out their Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm. This is $9. It's definitely up there in price for a lip balm product, but they're trying to recreate the iconic Summer Fridays lip balm. So I don't know, I'm kind of torn about this because it does leave the lips feeling pretty sticky. I just didn't like how long that feeling was left on the lips. You know, it's supposed to be hydrating, but it also is just a little sticky for me. I got 3 of them too, and the vanilla one definitely reminds me of the Summer Fridays. I love an affordable look for less or inspired product, but I do think for this one you might be better off just getting the real thing. I also have loved the Versed Skin Tint. This was a go-to foundation of mine on our cruise when I wanted to wear less makeup and just throw something on if we were on the ship for the day. I love blending this out. It's definitely very liquidy. A little bit of product is all you need to kind of give yourself good coverage. It also has skincare ingredients, so it's nice to put on your skin in the summer heat. I definitely look for skin tints when it's hot here in Florida. So I cannot wait to start using this even more when the summertime rolls around. Thanks so much for watching this Target summer haul. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to hit that red subscribe button. If you're new here, I'd love to have you join our fashion loving community. And I'll see you in my next video.